tricky part just at the top here, so.
I've not got my seat on yet. This is Sawdust track. No idea if you can see anything, if you can see us. No idea.
Must be all there.
We're on a night run.
Bit south of Neerin South.
Yeah.
So,
And there's no rock, it's just dirt
and dust.
and dust. Oh, Michael's stuck in something there.
Nice drive, guys. No worries.
Do you want to have a look? Is he diffed out there? What's he?
Can I get a little bit of a hand, please? Because we're teetering. Okay, coming down.
We're in park, are we? Still there. We would have diffed out.
No, I reckon might have made it. But when they call it.
Yeah. Oh, a big tree in the way. It was amazing that 80 series made such a noise going up there.
I think he was on 33, same as us, so he probably got stuck there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There's a couple of people ahead of us. Some young whippersnappers. There was a rather big rut.
Yeah, wombat. I'd say wombat holes. They sort of, they do that.
Yeah.
So.
Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome, man.
You ran up the hill for Michael.
Yeah, just sort of held the car and gave him a bit of confidence to drive.
Didn't feel like it go forward or back. It was just a little bit
That's it, you need to see where your back wheel is, don't you?
Yeah, just someone can see what's going on, and I sort of just supported the car a little bit too, helped it.
Because he can't see if his back wheel is on the floor, then he can't tip it over, can he?
Well, I think he was sort of balancing on a couple of wheels there, and maybe they're sitting on the diff a little bit.
Here's the first bog hole.
Bog hole. Windows. I should take a bit of a...
I don't like bog holes. No.
just in case my videos don't work, let's at least...
first climb. It's really fun in the wet, actually. Up down, keep down, keep down.
Okay. Oh, I moved that one maybe a bit too quick. Okay.
Where have you gone, Jai?
Putting your spots on. Now the Prado would have got up this, I would have straddled that gap.
Yeah, until you get up there.
You're all good, Steve.
I'm alright.
Ooh,
For a second?
just at the end there.
Yeah, just for a second.
Look, this is definitely not the track for my Prado.
This is where I usually go. It's not that bad, but I don't know.
There is mud. There is things that can break my car. Would you say this is a difficult track? Because you're the one driving. I look at this and I'm like, this is difficult.
Yeah, it's not easy. You gotta know what you're doing.
Yeah, so you would.
I wouldn't send a beginner out through any of this.
So would you label this as a black
Diamond?
Yeah.
Black diamond?
Yeah.
Probably. Don't know about it. Yeah. Well, some of the tracks that I've seen on black diamond are.
Yeah, I've been on black diamond once.
And they're nothing.
They're nothing. But I would call this as a difficult track.
I'm just scoping out because I can't remember. This right way I think is a little bit boggy.
Big ol' monk. Pull up next to him or... Oops. Oh, there's a big bog hole there.
No, it's not.
Bet that stinks.
Which way Jai went?
Yeah, so the car in front of us, the front car here out of the four, is a short wheelbase GQ Patrol. So.
Is he in reverse? Why has he got...
No, he's just got lights on a switch.
And they're pointing backwards.
He's got one backwards and probably one's out either side.
That's really...
That's
Right.
night driving. You want as much vision as you can
Yeah,
get.
yeah.
So
That's it, because you don't have a light bar, do you?
no,
Nah.
I got to do it yet.
I mean, I don't have a light bar, I just have those steadies at the front.
Always going through on the left.
Where are you? Well, you could have just chilled and waited with us instead of rushing off in the front. I am waiting for you. I can see his tail lights up there.
Windows.
Yeah. Straight off the gun, mate.
Yep, find it, the electric windows. Beep! Not sure I want the windows shut. You're going straight on here, aren't you? Oh, even I could have driven through that puddle. tipping over. Not a fan of weird angles. Oh, that smells.
Put the windows up because you don't want that smell inside the car.
I mean, it has been dry for days. I can imagine that this track is like, I mean, it's already difficult. Oh, Jesus.
That's just diffed. Oh, he's made that bit.
Well, what's the other option? Oh, he's getting there. Oh, that looks sketchy as. These are the bits that I probably, I don't know, I might cut these bits out where we just start doing nothing.
Are we good to come up? Come up.
Is that a chicken track? That would be me.
Might be.
I don't think he heard that. I said it's good to go, didn't he?
I think you're good to go, Michael. Yeah, so it's a chicken track if worse comes to worse, take that.
Yeah. Judging by. Oh, Michael did that pretty well. I would probably, if this was me, one, I would do the chicken track. Two, if I had to do this, I would straddle the ruts, whereas you're just going to go in them, aren't you?
Yeah, try it. The problem is straddling on the left, it puts you really high on the left side.
Yeah.
The right side doesn't look so bad.
And if you
You're
fall
right to
in,
go if you want to give it a go.
oh, do you think you're going to dip
Yeah,
out?
I'll give it a try. Get the layout on the end first.
I take it back. I would. I was going to say I would not straddle the ruts.
Neerin's radio's gone, dude.
Oh,
It's just a stick.
that's us
Wait up.
on the diff there. Oh, yay.
Chicken track.
Yeah. Do you want to? Someone's down here. Do you want to ask them what it's like?
Yeah, something that's as walking down
That's
there.
us, is it?
Need 35s.
35. Next investment, 35s.
What's the chicken track like?
Yeah, that's easy that way. It's just a little higgledy-piggledy at the start,
Yeah.
but nothing hard.
Yeah, even if you try straddling further up, you're going to be
Yeah, yeah.
massive angles.
I think my handheld battery's
Dude,
going.
you got me?
I have. Aaron can't hear you though. I'm going to take chicken track.
Yeah, no, that was good.
So there's even one there.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that one's like. Muddy.
Muddy and ruddy.
Yeah, that one's got a few little puddles
too low?
Yes. 35s make a big difference in this country.
Yeah. Can't win them all.
No, it's alright. It's all part of the game.
That was still fun doing the little chicken track. That was tight. I'd like to see a Y62 or a like 200 series or something.
300 series even wider now.
Try and get through that.
Everyone good for departure? Copy. All good for departure?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Roger. You can come back a little bit, Aaron.
Is that vibrating in the back or like music?
Vibrating. Maybe something in the drawers vibrating.
Sounds like it sounds like a really hardcore rave's going on. Look at the mud on Michael's car tyres. Okay, we're gonna walk down here, aren't we?
Drop into a rut.
Yeah.
Leave your lights on, Az. I'll just turn mine off because of the bloody power plant it requires to run.
I wonder if we should be tail because we're the one with the lower clearance. Should we be in the middle?
You find a lot of these hard sections have chicken tracks around them.
You going to do a comp truck track?
I wonder if this experiment of night driving is going to work. Are we going to get home and be like...
Can't see anything.
Can't see anything, the footage is terrible.
You can bang a ride here and go do the slide hill and shit. More fun coming up there.
Where are we on the map? Are we? We're the red dot, are we?
Yeah. Not even halfway through the track.
Sorry, I was sidetracked putting batteries into my handheld. We had a bang the ride just back there. It takes you to that comp truck tracker and goes to the river and out the other side and up the hill.
Don't have to.
You've told me about that one. And you got the big slate hill. And, yeah.
This bit's easy.
It takes you to fence line as well. Have you done that one, Tom? Yeah, we passed it. It takes you back to the far road that we're on.
Yeah, I definitely need 35s and a high mountain for that.
No, you don't.
Just send it, you reckon?
Just thong slap it.
I don't have a thong slapper, I got a bloody naturally aspirated 1HZ.
Oh, we'll just fucking slap a big Wuhan wall whistle on it. Just send it. Tommy's got electric powered ones there. I'll give you my Mrs. Hairdryer if you want.
That's a big old.
FYI, you're on camera too. Voice recording.
I could do this bit in the Prado.
This part, yeah. You got to get to this part.
I would not get to this
Yeah, the
part.
chicken track you would have got through.
Fuck you, you're stuck, mate. Oops, today. Whoopsie.
Somebody's stuck.
What you do? You're on the chassis on the front.
It's Jay, is it?
Yeah. Just lining it right.
Is he moving?
Can I go back anymore? No, you cannot. Is there a tree? There is a tree, but You can't. Your toe is in the dirt. Yeah, keep going, keep going. You got about half a metre. When you go forward, that's the problem. You go up like a fucking... No, stop. Your whole chassis is getting caught up on the lip on the right side. Fuck, I love this shit. Come on, you're gonna have to winch out from the front. Pull you around.
What, you have to radio?
Someone's gonna have to go around.
Nah, mate. Head torch.
You enjoying
Oh,
it?
Jesus!
It's okay. Scaring the shit out
I
of
was
it.
replying to a text message. Look, am I enjoying it? It's okay. I enjoy being like the thinking and all of that, but at the same time I'm like, is this the last track? Are we doing more? Far out.
Torch in the glove box.
The what?
My head torch.
Yep.
That might be the shipment.
Like, I wouldn't come and do this with my car.
Nah.
Uh,
No, I wouldn't expect it from your car.
no.
And I
There's
wouldn't
bits
expect
that I'm
you to
like,
drive.
oh, I could have done this bit.
Yeah, there's some bits you could have done, easy. Easy.
But then there's bits where I'm like, if we get stuck and we can't go forward, like, what's Jai stuck on here?
He's got 2 wheels in a rut and 2 on the high side, so he's bellied out completely. He can't reverse or go forward.
Is there a way round?
I think he just fucked up, to be honest.
Right, let's go see.
Bog hole to our left there, and this other fairly sketchy track to our right. Probably not 33-inch country. I tried. Yeah, gone. Now, sitting on the belly.
Wait! Oh no!
Don't, Michael!
I'm in now!
You're just doing Aaron.
Yep! Ah.
Maybe not quite so.
Not so bad, your undies are not wet, so
No.
you do a good as job of me.
I'm 1 boot in.
You still got your phone.
Where is it?
Back towards me.
Michael! Yes.
Hook's too little.
Yeah. Joys of taking on the tougher tracks to get the winch out. Can you hear me?
But can you hear me?
Yeah.
Weird. Anyway, you'll have to remind me when I get back in the car about the soft shackle.
Got a little bit of mud
For me.
in my boot.
Yeah.
I slid off the centre and just fucking straight down.
Do you remember we looked at that soft shackle picture about spreading the load on a soft shackle? Because interestingly, Az didn't know.
Let's put the post up, didn't
Do
we?
a couple more clicks in on the wheels and just a little bit hanging out.
Better? Hey? Landcruiser.
Where's the puppy?
At home, at mum and dad's.
That's where my load goes, isn't it? Under there and there.
Yeah, they're in there.
Yeah, so it's the hook should, if the hook's there, the tree protector's there.
Or vice versa.
So Az wanted to do it like this,
No, I'm pretty sure it's the other way.
and then he did it, ended up like that.
Yeah, which is not that bad.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I remembered it that way, but I wasn't 100%. Okay, I thought I would cut into the video at this point just to give you a glimpse of what we're actually talking about. So Steve's just been winched out using a soft shackle because his hook isn't big enough to take the tree protector. And so I had a quick discussion with Az, and we couldn't remember where the load went on the soft shackle, even though we'd done some research on it, we just couldn't remember. So that's what Steve and I are talking about in the car, and he's got a soft shackle in his hand. So basically, here's your soft shackle. You want to have the load based underneath the knot on this side and at the opposite end of your shackle. You don't want it that way round, and you don't want it like this. This is the safest way to use your soft shackle. If you don't believe me, that's fine. I'm definitely not a pro. Go do some more research, but that is the research that I've seen of how to use a soft shackle, so now you know. I wasn't 100%, so I didn't.
whole leg. Could have gone right over.
Tell you what, the inside of my boot
Yeah,
feels
squishy. Feels a bit squishy.
It's got mud.
Don't know where that lives.
Oh, ripper.
Okay.
I do like this car.
Which car?
This
Yours?
one. No, yours.
Mine.
Yeah.
35s. Make
I
a
just
difference.
think it's just a beast when it comes to tracks.
They're factory core sprung,
Yeah.
whereas yours has been adapted.
Yeah.
It's not as they're not as good.
Yeah.
Something you can smash around a bit more.
Yeah.
I didn't stay in because I thought you'd get stuck.
Fair enough. And you wanted to film it.
Yeah, but it's getting dark. It's quite hard to
Film.
film stuff.
All you see is headlights.
So we'll see what we get. This actually is not Sawdust track.
Okay.
Heap track. Oh. Oh, my door's open. Yeah, Heap, because Az has got his rooftop maps up when I was in his car. Sawdust was another
different
way.
one.
Yeah. Unless it's called Sawdust Heap track. Oh, anyway, that was muddy. Oh my gosh. I've got so much mud in the car.
No, I don't mind. Final floors. Made for it.
Can I open my window?
Go for it. It was only for the bog
Mud.
hole stuff. Mud.
Yeah, your
Stop
car's
mud
covered.
Yeah. Just try and stop some of it coming in and splashing on the roof, that's all.
Unlike that you're covered in it.
Yeah, no.
And I'm covered in it. Did you see Michael chuck that hook at me?
Yeah. It's right at your feet. Well, he was already in the bog hole himself.
Yeah.
He's probably not thinking.
Splashed mud up my leg. Getting dusty. Blockers.
That's a compressor for the lockers, yeah. Yeah, if I had the rear locker as well, it'd probably make a difference.
Yeah. One thing at a time, eh? We'll get there.
The person I bought the car off must have blown the front diff up and put another one in, and it was the wrong ratio. So the front was trying to go faster than the rear. So had to do what I could do, and I could get a rear diff, I couldn't get another front diff. You're right to leave your lights on.
Catch. That stinks. That absolutely stinks. I think that's the worst one yet, the smell. I think something died in that one. This doesn't look, just a couple of big rocks or something. You could have straddled that first bit, couldn't you?
Huh?
Instead of coming right, you could have straddled that, yes?
Oh, I did.
Is that the end of the track?
Yeah, area if you guys keep going, where they have all those doof parties and...
That is either the end of Sawdust track or Sawdust Heap track or Heap track.
One of the three.
Definitely a Heap track. Alright, we survived. I'm not dead. Steve's not broken the car.
That we know of.
And we'll see if the recording works.
Yep.